What's up guys, Pablo Rogat here, and I'm doing this video to teach you how to balance and proper balance the ZHIYUN Crane Plus with a Canon 80D and the Sigma 18 to 35 1.8. Hard to balance? Yes. I had problems. I will teach you how to solve those problems. Okay, so I'm doing this video in English. My native language is Spanish, but I have to reach a bigger audience, so that's why I'm doing this in English. My crappy English. So guys, the problem that we are trying to solve here is this one. Now the camera, this is a very heavy lens. This is the problem. This is a very heavy lens. So the problem is that when you turn on the gimbal, as you can see here, you can't do this movement because the camera hits the back of the gimbal. When you tilt up the camera, you can't go any further because the camera is hitting the back of the gimbal. There you can see that the lens is so heavy that you have to pull the camera back to proper balance the gimbal. So I was thinking, I don't want to lose this movement. This movement is very important in the filmmaking process. So here's the solution. For the solution, you need three things. You need Velcro, two sides of the Velcro, and a little can, a little round can. You can find it anywhere in Home Depot, whatever. And you have to fill this can with lead, plomo, lead, this metal, heavy metal. You have to melt the lead and put it inside of the can. To melt the lead, you need this. Wait a second. I melted the lead, the metal, the heavy metal, on this, in a kitchen thing. Put the metal inside and you turn the heat on and it will melt. That's simple. So once the lead is melted, you put it inside, you close this thing, you put a Velcro, and the other side of the Velcro has to be in your camera. Let me show you. And the other Velcro side is here, in the back of the screen of the camera. So, this is amazing. You have this can with Velcro, the camera with Velcro, and you just put it here as a counterweight, a magic and wonderful counterweight. It has to be a tight, strong Velcro. There you go. You have the camera with a counterweight that will help you to balance the gimbal. Yes, I went all Tony Stark. So it doesn't look good, I know, but it works. Let me show you. So as you can see here, we have the gimbal, and I'm going to put the camera on the gimbal. So the first thing, we have to screw this thing. So I'm balancing the camera now, and you will see the magic happens. And here's the magic. Here is the magic. Let me show you better. So we have to balance all the sides. There you go. There you go. This is horizontal. It's okay. This is magic. Look at this. Camera fully balanced, and camera fully balanced, and the camera is not hitting the back of the gimbal. Yeah, baby, yeah. All right. And now we are turning on the gimbal. Voila, voila. It's working now, and it's magic. And you have your Canon 80D with your Sigma 18 to 35 properly balanced on a gimbal ZHIYUN Crane Plus. So guys, I hope this video helped you. Shit, that is the bathroom. I don't want you to see the bathroom. Let me close the door. There you go. So I hope this video helped you to balance your Canon on your ZHIYUN Crane Plus. So if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and everything else. Cheers guys, enjoy your gimbal.